In this video I'm going to show you how to replace the ink cartridges. First step is to push this door forward. So you can see the ink is there. Press it from here to down and then it will come out. Press it one by one and take all the ink cartridges out. To install the new ink cartridge, take the ink cartridges out of the plastic packaging and place it like this. The nozzle should be facing down and you have to push it in. You will hear a lock sound, that means it is installed properly. Just install all the cartridges one by one, and that is our last ink cartridge. So if that comes out, that means it's not installed properly. Push it again and now close this door and you will see the main screen, and now we can start using it. If you want to check how much ink is left, you can just go there, click on the setting icon and look for the ink. In the ink you can click on the OK on the ink volume, and that will give you the estimated idea how much ink is left there. Thanks for watching.